Hello, we're going to be talking about Unit 3, Lessons 4 and 7. In Lesson 4, we're just going to be talking about comparison bars and how we use them. We're going to be talking about questions 1 and 2 on page 77, and then we'll flip over to 85. But I already wrote down the blue box that's up in your textbook on page 77. David has 5 marbles, Anna has 8 marbles. And the first question says, how many marbles does Anna have than David? How many more marbles does Anna have than David? And the second question says, how many fewer marbles does David have than Anna? And you got to do what they call comparison bars. You can see down on that page is you're going to see one has Anna, and she has 8, and then David has 5. And we're all trying to figure out what is this extra right there to figure out our two questions in number 1 and 2. So basically it's 8 minus 5. So Anna has 3 more marbles. Than David. And then the second part is David has 3 fewer. So the answer there, 8 minus 5, will be 3. So we can change that into, that question mark, into a 3. And that's what they call comparison bars. And there's a comparison drawing too. You can see it also on that page where they have the little circles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for David. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can draw lines to connect them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that's your extras. So that would be another way to answer that question. So again, that's all we're showing on that page, just to kind of give you an introduction. Go ahead and flip over to page 85 in your textbook. Page 85. And we're going to do questions 1 and 2, and then I expect you to do 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 at home tonight. So, Sunnytown Library has 1,052 history books. The Judson Library has 863 history books. How many more history books does Sunnytown Library have than Judson Library? So Sunnytown, let's say Sunny, equals 1,052 books. History. And then Judson, Judson, has 863. And just as we did before, those two little boxes, we'll do Judson top, and they have 863. We'll put a little J over here just to make it quicker. And then Sunny, S, has 1,052. We're trying to find out what's in the middle there. So to solve that, we know we just do a simple subtraction problem. So over on the side here, 1,052 minus 863. We know 2 minus 3 can't happen, so we have to go over to the 10 spot and borrow. Cross that out, make that a 4. Cross that out, add 10 to that one, make it a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 4 minus 6 cannot happen again, so we have to go to the 100 spot. The hundreds, unfortunately, has nothing to give us, so we have to go to the 1,000 spot. And he does have 1, so we're going to cross that out, put a 0 there. Make that a 10, but again, we're going to give it to the 10s. So cross that out and put a 9. And add 10 there, 14. 14 minus 6 will be 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So that missing spot now we know is 189. So really 189 plus 863 should come out to your 1,052 books. So the question is, how many more books do they have? So they have 189 more books, history books. And that would be your answer. You have to show all this to get credit for it. You can't just do the subtraction problem. I want to see the comparison bars because that is on your test on Wednesday. And another one we're going to talk about is today is Daisy's Cafe used 465 plates. I'm going to try one more and I'll let you loose on your own. So Daisy, we're going to put Daisy Cafe. They had 465 plates. They used 197 plates fewer. Used 197 fewer than they used today. How many plates did the Daisy Cafe use yesterday? So this is how many they used today. Oops. And this is how many they used today fewer yesterday. So today we're going to put 465. We'll put yes today. Now this one we're going to put yesterday, and remember it's 197 fewer, so you already know your circle is 197. But we want to figure out what the box is going to be, so we're kind of doing a reverse order. So again, it's going to be a simple subtraction problem. 465 minus 197. 5 minus 7 can't happen, so we're going to borrow from the 6. Cross that out, make it a 5. Turn that into 15. That makes it 15 minus 7 would be an 8. 5 minus 9 cannot happen, so we have to go to hundreds. Borrow, put out a 3, change that to 15. 15 minus 9 will be a 6. And then 3 minus 1 will be 2. So our box is 268. And you should say 268 plates. Don't forget the label. Let's just do it 3 and 4 tonight. Let's just try 3 and 4 and then come bring that into class tomorrow. And then we'll discuss the other 4 questions in class and have you guys work on the smart board and answer them that way. But I want to see the comparison bar and I want to see the subtraction problem. And make sure we have a label. So there's lots of parts to this, and this is all on the test on Wednesday. So enjoy your night, have fun, and you been flipped tonight.